Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. Immigrating to a new country involves navigating various legal, economic, and cultural landscapes. Some nations have streamlined their immigration processes, making it relatively easier for newcomers to establish residency. Here are 10 countries known for their accessible immigration pathways. 1. Portugal. Portugal offers several visa options catering to different demographics, including retirees, digital nomads, and investors. The D7 visa is popular among individuals with a stable passive income, while the Golden Visa program attracts investors through real estate purchases or other qualifying investments. Portugal's affordable cost of living, pleasant climate, and high quality of life make it an attractive destination for immigrants. 2. Canada. Canada is renowned for its immigrant-friendly policies and diverse society. The Express Entry system facilitates the immigration of skilled workers, and the Provincial Nominee Programs, PNPs, allow provinces to address specific labor needs. Additionally, the Startup Visa program encourages entrepreneurs to establish innovative businesses in Canada. The country's high standard of living and accessible healthcare system further enhance its appeal. 3. New Zealand. New Zealand provides various visa options for skilled workers, entrepreneurs, and investors. The Skilled Migrant Category Resident Visa targets individuals with skills in demand, while the Entrepreneur Work Visa is designed for those planning to establish businesses. New Zealand's natural beauty, high quality of life, and welcoming society make it a desirable destination for immigrants. 4. Spain. Spain's non-lucrative visa allows individuals with sufficient financial means to reside in the country without engaging in local economic activities. After 5 years of temporary residence, individuals can apply for permanent residency. Spain's rich cultural heritage, pleasant climate, and excellent healthcare system contribute to its attractiveness for immigrants. 5. Greece. Greece offers a Golden Visa program granting residency to individuals who invest in real estate or other qualifying assets. The program provides a straightforward pathway to residency, with the possibility of applying for citizenship after 7 years. Greece's Mediterranean lifestyle, historical significance, and favorable climate are appealing to many immigrants. 6. Mexico. Mexico's proximity to the United States, affordable cost of living, and rich cultural heritage make it a popular destination for American expatriates. The temporary resident visa is accessible to individuals with sufficient income or investments, allowing stays from 6 months to 4 years. Mexico's diverse landscapes and vibrant communities further enhance its appeal. 7. Panama. Panama's Friendly Nations Visa offers a straightforward residency process for citizens of specific countries, including the United States. The program requires economic or professional ties to Panama, such as employment or real estate investment. Panama's strategic location, growing economy, and use of the US dollar contribute to its attractiveness for immigrants. 8. Costa Rica. Costa Rica's Pensionado program is tailored for retirees with a stable pension income, while the Rentista program caters to individuals with a steady income from investments or other sources. The country's emphasis on environmental sustainability, high quality of life, and political stability make it a favored destination for immigrants seeking a tranquil lifestyle. 9. Australia. Australia offers various visa options for skilled workers, entrepreneurs, and investors. The General Skilled Migration Program targets individuals with qualifications and experience in demand, while the Business Innovation and Investment Program attracts entrepreneurs and investors. Australia's high standard of living, diverse society, and strong economy make it an appealing destination for immigrants. 10. Malta. Malta's residency and visa program grants residency to individuals who make qualifying investments in the country. The program offers visa-free travel within the Schengen area and potential pathways to citizenship. Malta's strategic location in the Mediterranean, English-speaking environment, and favorable tax regime contribute to its appeal for immigrants. It's important to note that immigration policies and requirements can change over time. Prospective immigrants should consult official government sources or seek professional legal advice to obtain the most current and detailed information regarding immigration procedures and eligibility criteria. Thank you for watching this video.